How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some Kegel exercises that you can do at home that will help you. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. We'll get back to you guys with more details. So let's get started right now. The first exercise that we're going to do to really feel those Kegel muscles working is going to be the side plank. So I love this exercise. This exercise is one of the best exercises to feel your Kegel muscles being worked. So get into this position. Now all we're going to do is raise our hips. When you raise your hips, really try to put pressure on that Kegel muscle. So we're going to go like this. We're going to hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all we're going to do for that exercise. Very easy, very simple. That's kind of a little bit of a warm-up just to get us feeling that muscle. Some other exercises that we will do, we're going to take a micro break first actually. So we'll take a 30-second micro break. Then we will go into the actual workout itself. So that first exercise was just a little bit of a warm-up. Very good to warm up the muscle. And again, if you guys have a hard time feeling that muscle being worked, what you want to do is go to the bathroom, start peeing, and then as you're peeing, stop peeing. And the muscle that you feel when you stop peeing, that is your Kegel muscle, and that's how you train it. Now, you don't want to train your muscles by doing that all the time, but just to kind of see what that muscle is, to feel it, you can do that, but don't train like that all the time. It can hurt your bladder. Next exercise. So the first exercise that we're going to do, we're going to get into a squat position like so, and we're just going to hold this position for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's it, you guys. Sorry, I went a little bit over 10 seconds. That's all you need to do. Take a 30-second break. We'll do it again. This is a great workout to really feel it in your Kegel muscles, you guys. A lot of people, they don't know about the squat hold. Squat hold, the best exercise that you can do. One of the best. Glute bridge is another one. Wall squat is another one. Wall squat hold is another one. Lots of different ones, and I'm going to make videos for all of these, you guys. So let's do it again. Get into position. Nice, good squat position. 1, 2, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. Take a little bit of a break, then we will do it again. Now this exercise, you guys may think, or this workout you may think is a little bit boring, but I'll tell you what, the best exercises and sometimes the best workouts are the ones that are the most basic and the ones that may not be the most flashy. I know a lot of you guys want flashy exercises. That's really not needed to get those muscles working. Trust me on this, you guys. If you want to get good muscles, good Kegel muscles, do the squat hold. Trust me on it. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll take a 30-second break, you guys, and then I will show you another exercise that you can do. So again, all these exercises, they are very good, but the squat hold, very, very good in my opinion. So again, just take a 30-second break, and then I'll show you guys another exercise that you can do. The other exercise is going to be a glute bridge hold. So we're going to do a glute bridge, but then we're going to hold at the top. Very easy, not very easy to do, but very good for your Kegel muscles, you guys. So get into this position, and then all we're gonna do
is hold this position, 1 Mississippi, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As simple as that, you guys. We're going to take a little bit of a micro break, and then we will do it again. So again, there's glute bridges where you do it consistently, and then there's glute bridge holds where you hold at the top. Both are very good in my opinion. This is just a random, not a random workout, but just some different exercises to consider. I know a lot of people, they get stuck doing the same thing over and over again. You want to be able to do different exercises, and you want different exercises in your repertoire, so you know, so you have some exercises to go to. So 5 more seconds, and then we will do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll take our little bit of a break, then we will continue on, you guys. So again, squat hold, glute bridge hold, glute bridge normal, squat normal, wall squat hold, side plank, normal plank, scissors, flutter kicks. All those exercises are really good for feeling your kegel muscles. So I will make videos on all of them, and we will do workouts to help you guys out. So just keep watching, you guys, and you will see some good results. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. Take a little bit of a micro break, and we will do it again. Okay, so get ready, 5 more seconds, and then we will do it again, my friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Also, you guys, comment below. Let me know what you guys have been thinking of my latest videos, and I'd love to hear your guys' feedback. Let me know what you guys like. Do you guys like the ab videos? Do you like the Kegel videos? What kind of other videos would you like? I'm going to get into making push-up videos too, because I know a lot of you guys like watching the push-up videos too. Lots of good push-up workouts that I have that I can show you guys. So just comment below. Let me know what you guys are feeling. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Again, comment below in the comment section. Let me know. We'll do this one more time, and then we are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the end of the workout, you guys. Again, very good. Make sure you guys are following along at home if you want to see the results, if you want to strengthen your pelvic floor and your Kegel muscles, you guys. So again, make sure you do the workout, follow it. What I like to do, you guys, is what I will do is I will watch a workout and I will do the workout as they are doing it on video. And that's what I recommend that you guys do as well to see the best results. If you guys have any other questions at all, again, comment below in the comment section. And again, I'd love to hear what you guys have to think about my videos. Let me know what you guys are thinking. end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.